Good morning, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate the mPower function to remove unnecessary columns from a spreadsheet. This is my spreadsheet of all the songs in my music database, and this software maintains many attributes for the songs, and most of them I don't care about. As we go across here, you'll see that many columns here are maintained, such as bit rate, media type, subtype, read only. There's just many of them that I really don't care about. So if I select my remove columns function, I'm presented with a list of every column in this spreadsheet and the label for that column and the number of unique values it found in each of those columns. And if there's one value, it just shows you the value in that column. If there's more than one, it says multiple here. Columns that have one value or zero values, we default to being removed. So as any column here that I highlight, I will be removing from my spreadsheet. This is a big list of elements here, as you can see. We go down all the way to column BD, which is around, I guess, 100 columns. As you can see here, I've got this option here. I can sort these to maybe determine which columns I want to remove. I can sort it by label. I can sort it by count, because maybe I want to remove columns that have low counts. I want to analyze those ones and remove those. I can sort it by the value in the column. In this case, I want to remove just about everything. I can select all, and then I'll just turn back on the columns that I want to keep. And I want not too many columns, as I said. I'll keep the track, the name artist, so on and so forth here. And I guess that's about it. So, as you can see, I'm going to keep A, B, C, D, and J. When I hit continue, bam, it just goes and removes everything but those columns that I wanted to keep. Thank you. Hope this video was helpful.